I usually have a script when I make these tutorials, but we're not going to do that now. Last time we used zip to zip and unzip just one file using the Linux terminal. And today we are going to do the same thing, but just with two files, because there really isn't that much of a difference. But before we start here now, let's find out the size. ls tac sh human readable size here, and we have 56.1 megabyte total size here. And for those of you that are a little afraid that pictures might come out a little different after zipping, we are going to do a MD5 sum on the picture file, and you can see here that it starts with a B5 and it ends in 6C. Now what we do here is we use the command zip, and as last time we have to create the name of the zip file here first. So we are just going to call it container.zip and then space. And last time we had one file, but when we're going to have more than one file here, we have a space, and then we just take the next file that we want to zip in the same zip folder here. And that's actually all there is to it. And it takes a while for 52 megabytes here to be compressed. And now when we look at it, we also have the container.zip, which includes the picture and the text file. Now let's remove the picture and the text, and we are just left with the container here. So if we want to unzip this, all we do is actually just unzip container.zip, and we get back the two files that we had. And what we could do here is actually just show you the zip here. You see it's only 41 megabyte in size, so it's actually compressed the two files pretty much here. And we can remove the container file here, and what we're going to do here is we're going to take a MD5 sum of the picture file, and we see it starts with B5 and ends in 6C, and the rest of the digits are correct. So you see nothing happens actually to that file. And that's actually how you zip and unzip more than one file. You just place a space in there and then the next file. We're going to keep these tutorials short and to the point, so I could have done this on the last tutorial, but people want just one thing at a time. Now that said, if we have 10 or 15 files, we just can't keep adding files like this. It's going to take time. There has to be a shorter way to do that, and we're going to discuss that next time. And that's all for now.